Is specialized hardware pathing failed due to the DDHID 4061664 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. As we get into the manual process for DDHID 4061664, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the DDHID 4061664, associated with specialized industrial or medical 64-bit hardware drivers. It manages the low-level data link for specific USB interface cards. Its absence prevents the control software from detecting the hardware, often resulting in a device not found, error 40616 notification. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of specialized hardware to repair the core installation and restore the necessary DDHID 4061664 DLL component. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the DDHID 4061664 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the graphics library is still causing trouble, we will move on to a clean driver installation, and you must run display driver uninstaller, known as DDU, to remove every trace of your current display software. Reinstalling the official driver package from the hardware manufacturer after a full wipe is the most reliable way to fix a corrupted DLL reference. Why are we doing this? Well, driver files are frequently locked by active processes, and using an uninstaller in safe mode is the only way to ensure the old binaries are fully replaced by new ones. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like DDHID 4061664 DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to DDHID 4061664. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve DDHID 4061664 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.